Surveys. Okay, what does it do? It tells you what the person is interested in. Registration, it lets you know if the person is willing to show up, and it lets them know exactly what's going to happen. So, for example, do you ever feel like, oh, I don't want to sound pushy? Yeah, I was afraid of that too before. But when you have surveys and you have registration, it takes away that feeling of being pushy because guess what? The person is going to tell you exactly what they're interested in. Isn't this genius? Okay, so if you know exactly what they're interested in, you can gear what you're going to talk about in your event based on what people are interested in. You can also gear what you're going to have to talk about when you have a little chit chat after your presentation or whatever it is that you're having them do the survey for, because you know what they're interested in. As an example, if you make a survey about cooking during the pandemic and the person says that they no longer cook, that they only order in, why would you even talk to that person about pots and pans? They're not going to buy them, right? And then they're going to feel like, why are they even talking to me about this? I'm not interested. And then you come across pushy because they're not interested. But if you know that all they do is order in, and you know what happens when you order in, you get some leftovers, right? And now you're going to talk to them about maybe food storage, about heating things up in the microwave, right? Maybe organization of menus. So you know exactly what to talk to them about. So does that make sense?